What's up guys, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Dollar General to show you some any day deals you can take advantage of any day this week, or of course you can wait till Saturday to throw it into your 5025 for even more savings. Let's see how the music is going to be in here. Sometimes it is a little loud. I might have to do a voiceover, but we'll see. There's a lot of different deals to take advantage of, but no long intro, let's just hop right into it. So for the first deal, you want to grab a big bottle of Purex priced at $10, as well as a Snuggle product regular price at $3.95. We have a coupon, and when you buy the Purex, you get the Snuggle for free, which is a DG store coupon, as well as a $2 manufacturer coupon for the Purex. Both will apply, making both of these just $8. Grab 4 of the game products priced at $4.50. We have a coupon, makes them 4 for $12 or $3 each. Now the coupon does state that you need 1 of each, but last week when we had that coupon, you can grab 4 of the same products and that coupon still applied. Grab 2 of the all detergents priced at $5. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, makes 2 of them $6 or just $3 each. The big bottles of Arm & Hammer liquid detergent is priced at $9.50. We have a $3 coupon, makes it just $6.50. I think it also works on the bigger pack as well. So what is that, 42 count? Which is not bad. Of course, throwing it into your 5025 deals this Saturday. We got a $2 coupon for Persil, and it is attaching to this 40-ounce bottle, makes it just $3.94. Now be careful because that coupon is a DG coupon, so if you're at during the week it doesn't matter, but on the weekend, on Saturday, it does matter when you're throwing it into your 5025. The 5 count of the Airwick refill is priced at $12. We have a $5 coupon, makes one just $7. The Glad trash bags are on sale this week for $7.95. We do have a $1.75 digital, makes one just $6.20. Now we hardly get trash bag deals, so I'm definitely going to put something together for Saturday, so stay tuned for that, throwing in some trash bags. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon for Irish Spring and Soft Soap body wash. The cheapest deal to do with that coupon is just buying 2 of the Irish Spring, priced at $5.35. You're going to use that coupon, makes 2 of them $5.70 or just $2.85 each. My stores don't carry them, but check to see if your store carries the Holiday Dove body wash. If so, grab 2 of the ones priced at $5. We have a 5 off of 2 digital, makes 2 of them $5 or just $2.50 each. Now that coupon does attach to Holiday body wash and then Holiday deodorant for Dove, but my store doesn't have either one, so I'll just pop up a picture on the screen. Grab 1 of these Carmex minis, 4 tubes in here, priced at $5.25. We have a $1.50 digital, makes this just $3.75. This is actually, I feel like these are so cute. These are nice little stocking stuffers, or if you're doing gift baskets for Christmas, this is actually a nice thing to put in there. This next product my store doesn't have, and I'm not even going to try to butcher the name. It is like color dye, so I'm going to pop it up on the screen. This particular brand, they are $10. We have 2 coupons that's stacking really nicely. We have a DG coupon, which makes them 2 for $15, so it's going to automatically take off $5. And then we have another coupon that's a manufacturer coupon, 7 off of 2. So with both of those coupons, it's going to make 2 of them just $8 or $4 each. So if you like dyeing your hair, definitely pick some up. Hopefully your store has some, so that you can grab some and score. So we have another stacking situation going on with like pads and tampons. So we have a 5 off of 10 coupon, a DG coupon for like Carefree, I think Playtex and Carefree down there. And then we also have like a 3 off of 2 coupon. Now that coupon, both of those coupons are not attaching to a lot of products, so make sure you are scanning your barcodes in the app to see what is attaching to both, because you want the items to attach to both to get the most savings. The cheapest thing, so these are the only items that I noticed that attach to both coupons. The Playtex 32 count, priced at $8.50. So grab 2, use those digitals, makes them $9 or $4.50 each. I completely forgot to do an outro, but let me know if you like this video, as well as which one was your favorite deal. And then if there's a deal that I did not mention, definitely drop it down in the comment section, because I might not even know about it, and it can definitely help me or someone else. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, definitely consider subscribing, joining the family, as well as giving this video a thumbs up. I love y'all, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.